Delicious, fast, and easy made with chicken or shrimp. Pad Thai, a dish that's as fun to make as it is to eat. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy recipe that you can whip up with chicken, shrimp, or both. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Food and Fun. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes. Today, we're making one of my all-time favorites, Pad Thai. Here's what you'll need. Noodles, 8 ounces of flat rice noodles. Protein, 1/2 pound of chicken breast, thinly sliced and slash or 1/2 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp. Sauce, 3 tablespoons of tamarind paste, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, veggies and aromatics, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 small red onion thinly sliced, 1 cup of bean sprouts, 2 green onions sliced, eggs, 2 lightly beaten. Toppings, crushed peanuts, fresh cilantro, lime wedges, oil for frying. First, soak the rice noodles in warm water for about 10 minutes or until they're soft. Then drain them and set aside. For the sauce, in a bowl, mix together the tamarind paste, fish sauce, soy sauce, and brown sugar. Give it a good whisk until it's well combined. In a large pan or wok, heat some oil over medium heat. Add in the garlic and red onion. Sauté until they're fragrant. Now add the chicken slices. If you're using shrimp, you'll add them a bit later since they cook faster. Cook the chicken until it's no longer pink. Push the chicken to one side of the pan and pour the beaten eggs into the other side. Let them sit for a few seconds and then scramble them until they're fully cooked. If you're adding shrimp, now's the time. Toss them in and cook until they turn pink. Add in the drained noodles and pour the sauce over them. Toss everything together until the noodles are well coated and the dish is heated through. Finally, stir in the bean sprouts and green onions. Cook for another 2 minutes. Serve your Pad Thai with a sprinkle of crushed peanuts, some fresh cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. And there you have it, a dish that's sure to impress. Thanks for joining me today. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty adventures. Until next time, happy cooking!